As the demonetization deadline nears an end, there could be some reprieve for a section of the people. The cabinet, which is meeting today, will mull over an ordinance to extinguish government and the RBI's liability on junked high-value notes. Sources say the ordinance is being brought in after it was found to be necessary to prevent future litigation against the government over the note ban issue. Sources say a caveat would be added to ensure that certain people can still deposit old notes in the RBI branches between the 31st of December this year and 31st of March 2017. The category may include armed forces personnel, people who are abroad, and ordinary citizens who can explain that the money is indeed legitimate. Reportedly, the centre is also mulling imposing penalty on people for possessing certain quantity of old notes after the 30th of December. People still, of course, have time till Friday to deposit the old notes.
अगर 50 दिन का बाद भी ये चीज फैसला नहीं होगा, क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल यू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रिजाइन एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम द कंट्री? अब 3 दिन में ऐसा कुछ मैजिशियन नहीं है कि कोई मैजिक दिखा के कोई मिराकल हो सकता है. डिमोनेटाइजेशन एंड डिमोनेटाइजेशन बोथ आर बिग करप्शन.
डिमोनेटाइजेशन इज ए फेल्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट. देश को प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं कि मैं भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूं, मगर जो उनके ऊपर सवाल आ रहे हैं उसके बारे में प्रधानमंत्री जवाब नहीं दे रहे.
Rahul Gandhi and his party, the Congress, has been the biggest patron of the corrupt and corruption. और कहा जा रहा है कि मोदी जी इस्तीफा दे दें. पूरा देश आज इस सरकार के साथ खड़ा है और आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से यह स्पष्ट हो गया है कि भ्रष्ट लोगों पर नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार के हमले से किसको परेशानी हो रही है.
Staying with the issue, the Congress party had expected to replicate this scenario from inside the parliament in the recent winter session when a united opposition cornered the government on the demonetization issue. But its hopes took a hit when opposition members like the left, the JDU and the NCP chose to stay away from the meeting it had called. And yet, Rahul Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee went ahead and launched an offensive directly aimed at the Prime Minister. The government soon countered in equal measure. The political war is only intensifying even as the budget session now approaches, causing concern whether politics will continue to overshadow governments in the day to come.
9 बार 40 करोड़ रुपया 6 महीने में इन्होंने कहा है कि इन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री को दिया.
क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल यू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रिजाइन एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम द कंट्री?
Days to go for the Prime Minister's note ban deadline on December 30th, the opposition sought to corner the centre with an all-out attack. The Gandhi sign led the opposition's charge.
तो देश को प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं कि मैं भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूं, कि वो इस मामले में फ्री एंड फेयर इंक्वायरी कराएंगे.
The West Bengal Chief Minister followed up with a harsher offensive.
अगर 50 दिन का बाद भी ये चीज फैसला नहीं होगा, क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल यू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रिजाइन एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर फ्रॉम द कंट्री?
But unlike inside Parliament, the opposition's attack lost its sting outside, with JDU, NCP, SP, BSP and left shying away from participating in the meeting.
However, BJP is taking a dig and is saying that the fissures have emerged in the opposition camp and the entire attack which was being mounted by the opposition against the government on demonetization has been blunted.
Fissures in the ranks of the opposition gave the government ammunition to hit back.
The bubble of opposition unity has burst even before it could take off.
Despite the opposition's efforts, the Prime Minister is using demonetization as his main poll plank, extolling the scheme in poll-bound Uttarakhand.
आपने मुझे काम दिया है चौकीदार का. उनको तकलीफ हो रही है, उनको लग रहा है ऐसा कैसा चौकीदार आ गया, चोरों के सरदारों पर ही पहले वार कर रहा है.
Is the opposition losing steam outside Parliament? Or even a divided opposition is causing damage to the government's claims on demonetisation? Meanwhile, is a political blame game diverting the attention from the cash crunch that still pervades many parts of the country, even as the Prime Minister's 50-day deadline approaches? With Supriya Bharadwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.